guys, I'm going to show you how I do loose waves. Basically, I prepped my hair using 24K Sally Hershberger Volumizing Mousse. I slept on my hair and then I wore it all day yesterday, kind of like wore it in a bun. So I haven't done any heat styling to it whatsoever. And I can actually tell a difference in the body of my hair because usually when I just let it go, especially on the second day, it's really flat. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of this Nourishing dry oil. You can use whatever, heat protectant you want. Now I'm gonna section off my hair. So I'm just gonna basically pull up this top section and clip it to get it out of the way. And first I'm gonna brush out my hair. And then I'm using a Hot Tools curling iron. This is a 1 1/4, and it does have a clip on it. So I like to start up in the front here, and I basically take about this much hair. I clip it and leave a little bit out of the end and then twirl it straight up. Leave it on there for a couple seconds, and then I pull like that and let it go. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the next piece. So remember, you leave a little bit out at the bottom. This is gonna give it a more loose wave look. And then I just twist straight up and let it sit for a second. And then as I release it, I kind of pull down and then let it out. So I'll do a few more so that you can see what's happening. And I'm also going in opposite directions. So I'll go, one forward, one back, one forward, one back. So the front, I will always go this way. And even if it gets out of order, I'll still do the front, I'll still do the front back. I also like to keep the curling iron straight up and down instead of out or sideways. Now I'm just gonna let all of these cool completely. Okay, so it's just been a couple minutes and I feel like they're pretty cool. I'm gonna finish off with this Bumble and Bumble hairspray, and I just use a little bit. You don't have to use hairspray. I do feel like it helps my curls stay a little bit longer. I'm just gonna let that kind of dry, and then I'm gonna go in and just shake out the curls. If it's not breaking up, go ahead and brush through with your fingertips. Okay, so this is the final look. You can add a texture spray if you want. You can add extra hairspray. You can add root powder, whatever you want. You could also kind of tease the ends if you want more body on the ends. I'm just gonna leave it as is. This is kind of like my everyday laid back looks. I hope that you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.